This is agents at an amusement park.
Talking content. We are in Orange County, California, playing some mini golf.
Get out of here, bro. Do you golf a lot?
Never.
I can already tell by your form that
This is gonna be a long day.
this is gonna be rough.
For you with content, it's a bit ridiculous how much videos you put out. Like you're putting out like a video every other hour. How do you stay consistent with it?
Appreciate it, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm putting out one video a day. For me, the commitment is 5 pieces of content a week, Monday through Friday. That means I'm talking about 20 pieces of content a month. Twice a month, I shoot all day long to get the whole following month's content.
Right.
I treat the shoot day the same way I would treat like a listing appointment. It's
Yeah.
on the calendar, it's non-negotiable, it's happening.
Right.
Did you put on the calendar that I'm gonna smoke you in mini golf? Did you put that in there?
You know, I might have put that at the very end of the day.
You guys might want to get the shot. I feel success coursing through my veins.
Well, do you know what this next shot's gonna be like?
What's that, Chris?
It's gonna be like one of your thumbnails, a hole-in-one.
Hole-in-one, dude. That was a good little... How long did you think of that one?
One of my favorite parts about your content is your thumbnails,
Yeah.
because every single time they get me to stop and watch the video. And I think everybody wonders, what is it that you're going through? What's your process?
Certain colors that I use, black, white, and yellow. The original color is from my office logo that I, whenever I was making like a post, just listed, just sold or whatever. Like you said a second ago, how can I have something that catches someone's attention, right? So like you got the colors, you got the bold font. Like usually if I'm in one of the thumbnails, I'm gonna have a drop shadow to where it really stands out. I'll try to capture something from the video.
Are these grays, my G?
They're from all the buyers.
I think everybody wants to believe that this can only be done with professional videographers.
Yeah, that's right.
So whether you're getting started or whether you're in the game, do you think it's like critical to have somebody film us?
I feel like sometimes people will lean on the excuse of I don't have a videographer, so I won't start doing content.
Right.
I think the most important thing is just to start.
Right.
The vision needs to come from you, right? So obviously you're doing so much content. What's some of the obstacles that you're running into with doing that?
I think the biggest obstacle that I face is getting out of my own way. As soon as I put myself aside and said, this video about real estate is not about me, it's really about giving the people value, it makes it a lot easier to not give a f. I think everybody's biggest obstacle is wanting to look cool. I think especially realtors, there's this perception that we have to look cool, we have to be, the hip person, and that's the complete opposite. I think people want us authentically ourselves. So for me personally, like most of the videos are more information based.
Yeah. Not everyone consumes or hears a message the same way. So like you being more informative is gonna land better with some people versus me going at things from like a comedic standpoint.
Seth Godin, that big marketer, talks about your vibe attracting your tribe.
Yeah.
The more true you are to yourself, the more you are going to connect people that want to vibe with you.
Sure.
You know we're counting this home.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
No, I'm over this. I don't know why I'm winded playing miniature golf.
I genuinely want people to continue to ask us questions about how we make videos and how we can help agents connect with more people. Because at the end of the day, it really is social. I think all of us are online, sucking in content, trying to get ideas. Who are you following on the internet that has helped inspire you?
When I first started, there was someone like a Dan Lee was like one of the first people I saw that was doing like funny content.
Right.
And like seeing his content was like, it almost like gave me permission, like, oh, I can do this as well. Inspiration for me is definitely the broke agent. There's a guy, Shane Bergman, Sean King, Beast.
Tom Ferry, Jason Pantana, actually agents. Taya DeCarlo is a beast.
Glenda Baker, I would serve prison time for Glenda.
Oh my gosh, how did I not mention my mom, Nahid the realtor?
I would hide a body for Nahid the realtor. I'd hide a body for her.
Yeah, Nahid the realtor, big inspiration. She's been making videos consistently since 2017. And everybody is legitimately a DM away.
Yeah.
Yeah, good game, Derek.
It's good. It's good.
It was inferior to my performance.
My favorite part was the part that I dominated.
Thank you, sir.
Your water's yours.
The judges have spoken. Okay, so Derek, 2, 4, 4, 6, 9, 17?
Brother. There's some
17
tomfoolery
plus 9,
happening.
26, 27?
Definitely not. I would stop the count. Stop the count.
I won, but I landslide.
No, brother. This is a setup.
Rigged scorecard?
This Dude, why don't you guys brush up against the like button, leave a heart emoji.
Chris, how much do you think this house is worth in LA?
This house in Los Angeles and all 400 square feet is like
That's an easy
$750,000.
Easy mill.